Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, actually, I'm gonna welcome myself back to my channel, and then I'm gonna welcome you guys back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a extremely long time, but you know, it's about to be a new year. Why not? And I'm about to start college soon, so why not? So yeah, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a maintenance vlog today. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment, and turn on post notifications. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so it's currently 9:45. I'm gonna take the next 30 minutes. I want to leave the house by 10:30. I don't know if I can do that. But let's see. I know I want to go to the mall today. I want to get my toes done, my eyebrows done, get some food, and then I don't really know what else right now, but I'm sure I can find something else to do. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is then what next, then what next, then what next, then what next, then what next. She fat up and said it went with your milk wrong. Turn a pandemic into a pandemic, you know that's the shit that we on. Yes, sir. Them niggas gon' pull up and L at the shit that's together, won't fuck with you home. Fuck 'em. Okay, so I'm gonna be wearing this outfit. No, I'm gonna pair it with my black Tasman UGG slippers, and then either this beanie or this beanie I got also from Shein. They kind of look the same, not gonna lie, but one has skulls, one has skulls with the bones, and then one doesn't. They're just skulls. It's 11:28. Girl, this is the outfit.
Keep you a five, don't let them take it. If they get yours, you gotta get straight. I got your up, I give them a facelift. My niggas working and spending the day shift. I got the rat when you see me. Then back to back, it's a repeat. Championship, it's a three-piece. Shoot out the window like Drizzy and Freaky. I keep it on me, believe me. I be up high where the trees be. I go and put on so much of this ice. They say don't touch me, you gon' freeze me. Straightening, straightening, straightening. Yeah, straightening, straightening.
Human hair, baby. Human hair. Not synthetic. Nothing wrong with synthetic. It's just I can't take care of it. Personally, I can't take care of it the way I want to. So yeah. And then we're gonna take this NARS. Trying to figure out what like shade it is. I don't know. If I figure out the shade, I will tell you guys. This was not cheap. There we go. And all I do, let me take these off all I do is apply it to my cheeks, because when I was younger in like middle school and stuff, and you know, when we all hit that puberty phase and we start getting pimples and bumps on our face, you're not supposed to pop them or like scratch them because they'll leave dark spots. I knew that, and I still did it because I didn't like how it looked on my face, and I regret it now because you can still see them. But they've faded in the past like few years. They faded, so I'm not complaining too much. But I only do this like on special occasions or when I don't know.
Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say.
So I'm gonna be using, it's called Amber White. It smells so good. It basically one of these little ball thingies. I actually got it at my local mall, but you can get it from like the beauty supply store. I think Walmart and like Target. Just dropped it. As I was saying, I think Walmart and Target sells these. Don't quote me on that. I don't ever go to Walmart and Target looking for them, but if you're someone that does, then let me know. No comment. Whew, I'm headed to the eyebrow place. Okay, I'll see y'all in a second.
Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me. You my heart is on fire, this can't be your first time. We my heart.
Okay, so I'm out. Oh my god, it looks so good. Yeah, she did that. She did that. It was only 10. Sorry. That first pull, that hurt. But yeah. Now I'm gonna head to the mall. I do wanna go get me some like bras and underwear. And then look in Forever 21 because I don't know if they're still having the sale. If they're not, I still want to check because they have cute leggings and like sweatpants that are like often discounted. It's like at the back of the store. You have to actually look for them, but they're really, really cute. So yeah. Okay guys, so I made it to the mall. I'm at North Lake Mall. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, I made it to North Lake. It's currently 12:54. Basically 1 o'clock. I'm gonna run to H&M, which is right here at the front. And then I'm gonna run to like Victoria's Secret and then Forever 21 and then skedaddle. So yeah, I hope they're not gonna tell me like no flash photography. If they do, then they do. If they don't, then they don't. Okay guys, so I visited H&M, Forever 21, and Victoria's Secret / Pink, and I only left the mall with the Victoria's Secret. Fashion Nova, no. H&M, they didn't really have any cute stuff. I mean, they did, but it was stuff that I had saw already. But I'm about to meet my mom and my sister at a restaurant called Bonefish Grill. They're gonna eat and then I'm gonna continue my day. Okay guys, so I've made it to Concord Mills and Bonefish is right there. It took me at least almost 10 minutes to find parking. I have to pee really bad. I'm gonna go ahead and go in. I don't know if they're here yet. I assume not because I haven't gotten a text. 2:07, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get our table for us and use the bathroom. Actually, they're already here. She got her little handicap sticker and she don't know how to act now, and nothing's wrong with her. I mean, something is, but mentally. Look at them. New car too. I gotta pee. Hey. Y'all, how long y'all been sitting here?
Just 1 minute. I just texted you. You saw me.
No, I saw your car because I saw it in a handicap spot.
Oh, look at my baby vlogging, y'all.
You're not even. What are you? Come on, I'm hungry and I have to pee. If it was like yesterday, then yeah, no, I don't know. I wasn't there. A lot of food. It's gonna be delicious later. Okay, y'all. So it's 3:05. I'm back in the car. Me and my mom and sister are about to go to this place called Sipco. They make different drinks and stuff. She's looking at me through the dang on mirror. Anyways, we're gonna go. They're right there. We're about to go to Sipco. So yeah, I'll let you guys know what drink I get after we're done. Okay guys, so I'm actually in my house. I'm in front of the driveway, but I only came home because Amazon said my phone mount for the car and my camera case was delivered. It was not. It says it's currently in our mailbox. It is not. So yeah, I'm a little pissed about that, but it's okay. But I got the drink. This is called Venice at Sipco. I just noticed it was sugar-free. If you've gone to Starbucks and got their strawberry acai lemonade refresher type thing, it kind of tastes like that, but just watered down. But it's really, really, really good. So I'm gonna be headed to the nail salon now to get my toes done. I'm not sure if my sister is joining me or not. Regardless, y'all gonna see my toes. For the freezy too. For the freezy. Okay, I just stopped recording, but I'm gonna record again because the Amazon truck is on my street, okay? Where'd it go? It's like a few houses down. If that is my package, yo, I'm gonna cry. I hope it is. It's not there. Time to go to the salon now.
Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad.
Okay guys, so my battery said it was dying in there, so I recorded some footage on my phone in 4K. So hopefully that footage looks as good as my camera does. If it does not, then I deeply apologize. But it is currently, let's see if you can, no, there we go. It's 5:05 in the afternoon, evening, just kind of getting around evening time. I was gonna go run to Walmart, which is like right there, and go pick me out a cute little cup so I can like put drinks in. But if this dies, I'm gonna be so upset because I don't want to finish on my phone. I should be fine. I'm gonna go ahead and go and just go over there because I'm gonna regret it, because I'm gonna need it eventually.
Should I assume you didn't mean it like that? Or should I assume you know exactly how you said?
Okay guys, so I'm back. I ended up getting that water bottle from the last clip I showed you. That line was long. Like it's 5:42 right now. I don't know what time I said I had went in at, but I'm out at almost 6 o'clock. Yeah, I think my day is done. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh no, I want food. Do I want Chipotle?
What's the difference if it's still good? Just not yours exclusively. Used to be all good. Shut it off, now it's all bad. Ran it up, credit all bad. Letting on up, it's all that. Doing number call back.
You act like you need reminding. Trying to do it over, bring it back.
Okay, so I got my Chipotle. Woo! That was a long line in there too. It's 6:02 now. But yeah, I'm gonna go home and finish the video up. Okay guys, I'm finally back. It's what, can you see? 6:19. I've been out all day. Girl, I was a lot, but yeah, I'm gonna unwind. I really appreciate you guys. I can't even talk now. I really appreciate you guys for watching the entire video if you're here right now. Yeah, stay tuned for my next one. I'm gonna see if I can remember my outro. Okay, thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and stay tuned for more. There will be more. And yeah, bye.